It's Isabella from Glacier One, and what you're seeing today, you're seeing me at work. What I'm preparing today is a love board. So this time for Valentines, but not necessarily only for Valentines, you know. We're a family, we have 2 kids, and this special moment of our life that we are at is very difficult. So we have kids at home, we have work at home, like everyone else, and we are stuck here, kind of stuck. We love being together. So I've decided that this time I'm gonna bring back the best memories of our lives. So what you're seeing here is a natural cork board that I have. I have some hearts that we have in our offer, the wool felted hearts, and I'm sticking them with the duct tape. So you have some fake flowers, because you know that I am in favor of sparing the natural life of our nature. I have some lovely garlands that I'm gonna put around here. I have some tickets that we still long for going somewhere, and the last time that we went was a month trip. So we went with very tiny kids, and this is the best time that we can bring back these wonderful memories and have that like put at our home. So you can see some lights, some pins, and some photos, some more decorations still that I need to decide what I'm gonna use today, and I'm gonna show you in a moment how it all ended up. So you have some ideas how to bring love, and not only love between the 2 adults, but also between the kids and the family that you are now with. So let's see. And so it's ready. So let's have a look. Those of you who've already seen our previous movies, you know that we have a flat, an apartment, an area that I work is also a living room next to a dining table. So I've especially chosen this place. Not only that it's next to my desk and I can always have a look at it, but we also spend a lot of time here. So as you can see, this is our love board, and so what I've used is I use our felted hearts. And actually, that's a very good idea of what you can do after Valentine's. Don't throw them away. Those decorations can last forever. And as you can see, then they can be very versatile. You can have almost everything with hearts. For Christmas, for Easter, for your love, for your birthday, anything you want. And I'm gonna show you in a few days what kind of happy birthday decorations that we've made using our wool felt balls. So stay tuned and have a wonderful time with during this pandemic, and I hope you stay healthy. So take a very good care of yourself, and all the best from our tiny family. Bye bye, and see you at glacierone.com.